off. Anything? You get a story out of it. You get a story out of it. You get a story out of it. You get a story out of it.
Okay, so this is chest mount with the GoPro. 1080-30. This is a stock toolkit and maybe some more. No, don't see nothing in there. I've looked at it. I used to have a stand. I used to have so much junk. I thought I better downsize. And I miss it, to be truthful. Love this Dunlop, but it's wearing out. Okay, bear with me here. Apparently you can do this on the trail. Oh, there might be a better handle for that. That's better. Okay, so I've got the handle there. It's tough. But no, I got the bike up high now too. I got the 3/4 inch lift over there, right up there to get my back wheel off. This stand doesn't do much, and I'm not on level ground here. Let's check. So we revealed you guys around with me here. Check the little GoPro, see if it'll do what it's supposed to. That one's at, let's get it level, Bill, almost 3. One more click will be 3. I think we're headed for 3. Yep, that one's gonna go to 3. So we gotta tap this. So I don't have much of a hammer anywhere. Oh, that was pretty simple. 3. So much for that stress. So on the trail, that could be tricky, trying to get that thing to go up. No, it's not. Okay. 3 and 3. Then we just bang her in. Check. Oh, that's freaking tight. I don't think I can get it in anymore. No, that's too tight. Interesting. Put that one back where it was. I mean, I could just tighten it where I want without this guide, but it's much more secure with this guide. Okay. Yeah, see, that tightens right up. But this is what we have for chain at that 2 point, whatever it is, 2.8. It's loose, but it's okay. It's a DR, it can take it. So I just tighten that up, and that's tightening the chain with the stock. Double check. 2.0. 2.0. Can't get much wider tire in there. I'm gonna put on, I think I'm gonna put a K60 on next. I do more gravel roads, fire roads. I don't need the true knobby. I like to fight on the highway at 135 at least. This is a great little bike. Torque it to 170 pound, pretty hard pull. It's already been over greased. Oh, it's perfect. It's fine. I was being a little paranoid. Okay, that's the chain adjusted in Wallbill's garage, which is nowhere near finished. It hasn't been for 60 years. Anyways, maybe this year. You can see I took some of the crap out and put some of my own crappy tire in. I feel much more comfortable with that. So that's great. You can do the chain with the stock setup, no problem. You can pull a tire, no problem. Thank you, DR. This is Temujin. This bike is called Temujin. It is a bit of a bitch getting it in here now with the new setup. I got a couple extra tools and it's making a bit of a difference. There we are. Oh, not a problem. It's got the strings, I can grab it to get it out easy. Okay, probably didn't even get any of that. But anyways, there's all the tools go back. This is a Suzuki. I call this bike Little Red. I don't really know what it is, but it is a fantastic little bike. Very glad to have it. Good stable right now. What did we just do? Oh, we just did the chain adjustment with the stock tools. No riding today. Day 3 in the desert tomorrow, I think. I think I'll go back to the desert and this time turn the damn stabilization on and try the drone again. I got some good footage. It tracked me a little bit around the desert. It's pretty cool. Over and out.
I don't have a clue what's going to happen here.